Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Quantum One app. In this video I'll show you how to manage lighting of your headset. In the beginning, from the left bar of the app, enter lighting. Here you can turn lighting off or on. Next you can enable advanced mode, sync all lights, and now you can change duration and tempo for logo, ring, and notch. In the end, you can change mode between arena, dystopia, sniper, sound is survival, spectrum, and strategic control. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.